Okay, so after the craziest workout ever, I'm exhausted and hungry. And I came across this little street full of little street food places. So let's go see if I can find something to eat. It's super noisy and chaotic. Hopefully you can hear me. Let's go. Whoa. Okay. I need some meat after that workout.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Good.
Good. Wow, okay, so we have some bread. Okay. Bread. Whoa, the tuk-tuks are crazy. Wow. Let's go see. Ah, there's a whole street here. Let's go see. Alright, so I'm looking for something with meat in it. I'm in need of some protein. Whoa. That workout was so good that I can barely hold the camera up. I'm so tired now. My muscles are burning. And that was the craziest gym I've ever seen in my life. It was packed. It was small. It was maybe, I don't even know how big, but it was very small and it was packed. It's the craziest gym I've ever seen. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, let's see what we can find. Some meat over there. Oh, I'm exhausted. And the street just goes on and on and on. Oh my, geez, they have chickens. Live chicken. Oh, mamma mia. Jesus Christ. Live chickens. And fish. Assalamu alaikum. Guys, what have I stumbled onto? Oh, chicken. More chickens. And ducks. This is probably, I have no idea where I am. And I have no idea how the hell I'm gonna get home. But boer maak 'n plan. And I will find a way. Check all these tuk-tuks. Shukran. Now let's look. Oh, it's all the fish here. And I'm not a fan of the seafood. Whoa! Jesus. These tuk-tuks really don't give a damn. They'll ride over you, no problem. Let's go find some meat. We're looking for meat. Oh my god. Man, this is crazy. Whoa. Jeez. Let's get some bread to fill the stomach. Assalamu alaikum. Wahad. Khots. Wahad.
Ningini.
Huh?
Ningini.
Ignin. Oh. Two. Salam. Okay. Whoa. Crazy. Whoa. You have three? One. Okay. How much?
Outstanding. What's the
Thank you. Sorry?
What's the place?
My name? Kurt. Shukran.
Outstanding.
Okay. Masalama. Okay. Ciao. Masalama. Come on. Crazy white guy eating bread. Don't mind me. Meat. Salam. Kofta.
Meatball.
Okay. Nam. Okay. Chicken. Okay. Liver. Okay. Kofta. Oh.
Meatball.
Okay. Where can I throw this away? You want this? Can I throw it here? Come on.
Yes.
Okay. Meat, yes.
Yes.
How big? Okay. Two, yes.
Meatball.
Meatball. Okay, shukran. I could barely even wash my hands after the gymming session. But that's okay. We don't care about Corona. Okay. Kurt. Kurt. Yes. And your name?
Abdullah.
Abdullah? Okay, cool. Nice to meet you. I film how you make it. Let me come inside. And this is cow? Cow? Yeah. Wow. And now he's gonna put it in the hot dog bun. Ah, I see, I see. Wow. Jeez, chicken's going off. Scooter's hooting. Okay. That looks, he's gonna put it in a plastic bag, all right. It's funny because it smells like rabbits over here. But I think this is takeaway, there's no way to sit. Okay, shukran. How much? 10. Ashra. 6. Okay. Just give him this. Germany.
Germany.
Germany, yes. Deutsch. And you? Cairo?
Egyptian.
Ah, okay, cool.
I'm studying archaeologist.
Huh?
First time you travel Luxor city?
No, not yet. Not yet.
It's a very city.
Yes, maybe tomorrow or day after I go south. South.
Yeah. What's
Yes.
your opinion in Cairo?
My area?
What's your opinion in Cairo?
Ah, my opinion. It's very interesting,
Yeah.
very noisy, but very cool. I like it a lot, and lots of things to see. Food is delicious.
But it's crowded. Very
It's
crowded.
busy and crowded, yeah, and noisy. Beep, beep, beep.
Yeah.
But whoa, bloody horse behind you.
So, give your number.
Okay, 1 second, yeah. 1 second. Let me pay, and then we speak. Yo, can I pay? Can I pay? Come on. Okay.
This is Ahmed and I'm Ibrahim. Ahmed is studies history, Egyptian
Cool.
history.
Nice to meet you, Ahmed. Nice to meet you,
Yeah,
Ibrahim.
nice to meet you. I'm computer science. Just
Cool, cool. Let me just pay this guy and then we can talk.
take your time.
Ashra? Okay. There's more than 17. No, take. For you. Okay, shukran. Okay. Where can I eat this?
We can give you a set. You can sit here.
I leave here? Okay.
Sit here.
Cheers. Let's sit here. Okay. Everybody's staring at me. All right. Okay, guys. Come sit or something. Huh? Hello. No. Oh my God. Let's try this. We're under pressure here. Let's try this food. But okay, let's give it a go. This is, what is the name of this? The name? Hot dog?
Show me.
Huh?
Show me the
Oh, it's like meat or some, mince.
Yeah, the sausage.
Sausage. Okay. What? How do you say in Arabic? Sahtem?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah? Okay. Cheers.
Do you want cooked milk?
Cup of milk. If you want cup of milk or Pepsi or
Milk?
something, we want to give that to you.
That's very nice of you. Why don't you sit down and we can talk?
Of course.
You want to sit down? You have chair or something?
Please let me to get you can or something.
No, that's okay.
You are guest and you.
I will buy you guys Coke. How about that?
It's okay. It's okay.
No, I buy you guys Coke.
We have just looked. We have just eat.
It's very nice.
Some of
Milk sugar.
Milk sugar.
Yeah.
Okay,
sugar and,
let's do it.
Yeah.
after this is a kind of dessert, you know.
Okay.
After you eat salt, you can go to dessert. That's
Okay, let's do it. I sit. Yeah, sit. So I'm eating the hot dog thing here. I don't know what it's called, but it's delicious.
هو مطعم الشرقاوي. هغلبك ازاي انا؟
What's the name in English? What's the name in English?
عبده الشرقاوي.
Abdu El
شرقاوي.
Sherkawi. Okay, tamam,
No,
tamam.
it's shrimp, no shrimp. Also liver, sausage, like what you eat now. Everything you know.
Very good. So you, what do you study?
Yeah, study computer science.
Science?
First grad, yeah. I'm first grad of computer science in Delft University. And,
Wow.
I'm working on my English language. And
Your English is very good.
Thanks, man. Thanks. I dream to be like a fluent English.
Wow, shukran.
Nice.
Thank you very much.
We can, but here
Wow.
this is dessert after salt fuel.
Okay. What is it?
Is it kind of milk? Okay.
Okay.
Sugar.
Okay.
And
rice.
rice.
And rice.
Ah, I know this. I know this.
Yeah.
It's like dessert, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Shukran.
Tell me about your plans in Egypt.
This is my second day.
Yeah, that's
So I'm-
great.
Yeah.
What is this? Taste? Okay, wow. You guys are very nice.
Do you remember the liver?
Wow. Liver? Okay.
Very
From,
delicious. Yeah.
from chicken?
No, not from chicken, but from cow.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I know cow liver.
I know it's good life.
Very good.
Yeah, liver and filfil.
Filfil. Paprika.
Paprika. Okay.
Okay. Shukran. Wow, delicious.
مؤاخذة حبيبي
Oh, man.
عايز اقول حاجة.
This is a lot of food.
And about liver and sausage.
Oh, check the bread, man.
Yeah, this is
About liver and sausage, this all famous, Alexandria. You know Alexandria? Alexandria is famous about sausage and also liver. You must try it there.
Wow, okay. I think maybe I will go to Alexandria in a few days.
Yeah, just.
But Cairo is so big, I need 1 week just to see Cairo.
Yeah, I'm with you. Of course, I'm with you. Cairo is very wide, it's very.
What's up?
عاملين ايه؟ كله
What's your names?
اسمي آدم.
This is Safe and this is Adam.
And this Yasin. And this Farouk.
Ah, you speak English.
Wow.
Very good. Why yes?
They love you.
Children, it's very fun.
Because it's rare here to to show tourists exactly in this place and
Yeah, I noticed there's
you
no
alone,
tourists here.
you alone, people if come here come as a group.
Yeah.
And they were welcome. Anyway, one man.
One man,
one
yeah.
girl or
والله
group.
سألوا-
Everybody look at me like,
له كام سكرايبر كده.
what the hell?
قناتك كام سكرايبر.
I know, it's very strange, especially with camera people. Oh my god. What are you guys doing tonight?
Here you are our guest, so we want to
Thank you
welcome
so
you.
much.
And if you want anything, we are you. We are
Thank
here.
you so
and
much.
Me and Ahmed come especially to test this.
Ah, really?
It's our first time
Wow.
to get here, and we give especially. So, good luck. And
Yeah.
so if we want to discover anything here, we can discover it for the first time, as you exactly.
You want to go together and discover
Anything,
something?
anything.
All right, we're gonna go together and try some Egyptian street food and desserts and drinks. I'm very thirsty. Maybe we can
Thirsty,
get something to drink.
Of course.
Yeah,
I can get you some more.
Where did you go?
we go together. Ah,
Wait, Abdullah. Let's have now.
we go together.
Do you want?
We go
Do you
together.
want to cup?
I eat this finish and then we walk together. Okay?
You must drink more. This is want more, and this want more also. No.
Ah, okay,
Trust
I
me, you
eat
will
this
need water.
and then we'll drink water. Okay.
بيقول لي لو مش عايز يشرب دلوقتي لما يخلص يعني.
قلت له نتمشى مع بعض ما خلص.
Bye.
قال مفيش مشكلة.
Okay.
والله؟
Bye bye.
نتمشى كده ولا ازاي؟
Bye bye.
باي. قال لك باي
عشان هو
باي.
كده هيزعل مني.
Hi.
خلاص بقى.
This أنا
Okay.
أنت.
Oh, cigarettes? Huh?
No. No cigarettes here.
Let's try this. What is the name?
Yes. This is Sobia.
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 Okay.
Hello.
All right, let's try Subia. You want to hold the camera?
Of course.
Thanks, thanks. Subia, first time. Did you guys try it now?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you like it?
Yeah,
Taste
really
this?
like it. It's amazing.
What's your
It's
opinion?
amazing. What about you?
It's very nice.
Wow.
Or no?
Very good, very sweet.
Yeah.
Of course. Wow. So I told you that you need
water after.
Yeah, I told you, trust me. Please, I will go and get water, okay?
I come with you. I come with you. One second. Yes, yes. We go together. We can walk and.
But what about you can eat first and we can do or whatever.
Yeah.
So you can hold the camera or something.
Yes. Okay. I finish this, then we go walking.
We are
and
with
stuff.
you. No.
All right.
Like this.
This tastes like. What does it taste like?
It's like milk. You can say milk.
Yeah, but like it has a cinnamon, spice, cardamom. I don't know. There's some spice in here.
Yeah, spicy because of the brown one.
Yeah. What is this? Cinnamon?
This is Karfa.
القرفة قرفة cinnamon. Yeah, cinnamon. Of course.
Okay.
Cinnamon makes this, lime or something.
I don't think I can finish the whole thing. It's so much.
No, you can. Trust me.
المصر؟
Oh.
You can. Want to...
Never give up,
What is this thing inside?
Yeah, as you told,
Very good.
coconut,
Coconut.
something, milk, rice, and
Check it out. Wow.
you can do this in slow motion.
Rich.
Yeah.
Very rich. Oh,
That's
man.
all. So I love this and about Ahmed. He is, know about history and so he love foreign people. That's all.
I'm very tired of the sport,
بقول لك خلص الأكل.
You must recover. Sleep 8 hours at least.
I must eat Egyptian
You
food.
finished your
Yeah, I
sandwich?
finished.
Of course. No, please, no.
Oh, okay, sugar.
We are brothers. Not saying anything, please. Everything is okay.
man.
Do you want any eat again?
Not now. Now I'm
One sandwich or
full. No.
not one?
Now I need to drink.
Of course, you all.
خلاص. Later.
مرة تانية بيقول لك. They here love you and want to give you anything you need.
Yeah.
Nothing. They didn't think about money. They didn't think about
Yeah.
anything. They think
I have-
as you are a guest, so you will be on our head.
Thank you so much.
No. That's truly. No, not about anything. Not about compliment or something.
Let's leave this here.
Don't think about anything.
Okay. Ma salama. Shukran, hey. Ma salama.
You like the meat?
Very good. Very good. Quiet. Shukran. Okay. Let's go get something to drink.
Yeah.